my mother used to say to me?
No.
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shut indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can cheat your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can play with your You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food and bite it. It's the play little game called Crunch. So tell me, Becky, what would you like to play? It can be anything you like. I won't tell your mother.
Anything?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'd like to paddle paddles down in the mud to get to the backs of the shallows.
Okay.
Then maybe it's time go sliding the slime to the marsh when you find marshmallows.
Maybe later.
I go and slay the dragonfly, watch water, boat and race. To say the cats are dangerous, clearly not the case.
Oh, I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can check your joint before you slice. Your food, but don't dribble. Give best to buy. You can play with your food before you pump it. You can rest your meal before you crunch. You can play with your food while you pump it. It's a great little game called Lunch.
We could go rush the rushes, dish and dish, down that place where it's foggy. Then I will have this duck and make the moggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
I love you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. Oh, so that's the way it's going to be, Ducky. You want to play hide and seek, huh? Am I getting warmer? I can see you. Catch you. Chase me, Becky. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you fight it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while fighting it. It's a crazy little game. Tell me, Ducky, do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Here, have a jam. It's a crazy little